guys, today I'm just gonna show you how to remove this ball joint. It's a ball joint for this Mercedes. It's an E-Class. So what you do, guys, you first remove the tire, which is right there. You just take out the tire. So it does those. You just use a 17 millimeter. Get them round. Once you pull that out, guys, what you do next is, guys, you disconnect this upper wishbone. Is the number 16. Here's the number 16. You can either use a flat, or and once you pull it out, guys, it won't pop out by itself, so you might need something like a hammer. You just hit it a little bit and then it will just disconnect from the top. And then once it comes out, you let it, guys, like come to you, let it swing a little bit. Alright, once you do that, guys, when this one comes out of the way, you make sure you don't stretch these cables. Don't stretch it too much. Make sure this brake line is also not stretched. So what you do, guys, you just pry this to the side, and then you access down here is a number 21. Just right here as a 21. You just use either a flat, use a 21, just like this right here. Use a 21. You just get it out. You can use a gun or something. The one the 21 is out, you take it out from the way. 21 comes out like that, pull like that, and then you can take the car up. Alright, guys, once it's up like that, you use a hammer like this. You hit right here, you hit on the side. Just make sure you hit on the side, just right here. Then this will pop out. This will pop out from inside there. Then once it pops out, you make sure it just hangs on the side, and then once this thing is like here, guys, you use a hammer, guys, just like this, and then you just hit it from the bottom. You hit it, especially if you have a good hammer. If you have like a pointy hammer like this, you hit it and then it comes out. Once this is out, guys, you have this space right here where the ball joint is. It comes from the top. It just comes from the top. You just hit it and then make sure it doesn't hit on you. Once it comes from the top, guys, like this, now you can take the replacement, the new one. So right, guys, you take the new one, make sure you compare them, make sure they're the same in size. Make sure the other one is not bigger. So the one, guys, I'm putting right now is a Lemforder. This is a new one. It's a good brand. It's normally allowed to do that, guys. So you have this one, then we can put it back. And once you come right here, guys, you just put it like this from the top. You can decide to put a grease on it, but you need to compress it now. You have to have like a special tool to compress it, guys, to push it all the way. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in a moment. So let me try and just like squeeze it in. And then make sure, sometimes it's good to have somebody to help you, because you might not be able to do it on your own. Might need more hands than one. So once it's done, this thing should go all the way, guys, in here, so you can just put it back and you can use it. I'll show you in a moment how it's done. Okay, stay with me. So guys, once you do that, it's important to have this master ball joint adapter set. So once you have it, guys, it's very useful to just press it in. So this is a set of stuff that comes in and helps you out, like on pressing it. It just gives you like the leverage, whatever stuff you want to help you like press the stuff in. So let's do it. So guys, you have to have a special tool like this. So we're just squeezing in. So you're squeezing, so it squeezes the stuff inside. So this tool I think comes to the set, the one you buy. Once you do that, once you squeeze in, guys, you'll be able to press it all in. So guys, you have to use this special tool like this. You just come here, you just pour it in, just let it sit in there, guys, so that when you press it, but you find out that there's this thing right here, guys, behind here. It's kind of blocking it from staying straight, because if it doesn't stay straight, guys, it might end up just squeezing this thing in the wrong direction, the wrong way. So we have to get this guy out. So I have to take it out to give us enough space right here. So there's going to be an 8 millimeter. So you just pour it in. This for the speed sensor, and then you open it up. Okay. Once this thing is out, then we can do the rest. We can do the next. Okay, there we go. I see this thing gets locked up like that, so you can just take it from here. Release it from the top too. I just push it up, and should be good to go. So guys, you just come on top here and you disconnect this from here. Then this bracket should be able to come out. Just take this bracket out from the way. Just take it out of the way, just like that. Okay, so guys, this thing is broken, so you just pull this guy out. So once this guy comes, then you just put it on the side. And guys, you just turn this plastic thing. You take it out of the way, just like that. This thing should be able to just come out. Then we have enough space here for the work to do the work. So guys, when removing this or when putting it back, this is a clip which holds from the top. You just disconnect it. You should be able to just come out and pop out just like that. Once you have the space, guys, you just come like this, and then you just put it like that. And then you have enough space to just squeeze this thing down here and then bring it all the way. Squeeze it and bring it all the way. So we have to go. Alright guys, I don't see enough space here. I'm still having some problems with me. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna remove this caliper and then put it on the side, and it gives me enough space because I don't have anybody to help you out. So I can do it with ease. So guys, you can just remove this to just give you enough space. Alright guys, check this out. It's 18mm, and then you just take this out. It's 18mm, so this thing should be able to come out. So guys, you can just take it out of here, and then you can mount it over here, so it can be easy to use it. Alright guys, when this guy is out of the way, this thing should be able to be free to give us enough space to just press it from the top. So that's it. So guys, this is how this thing should be like. You just squeeze it like this, just from here, squeeze it from the top, just like that, all the way. All this thing is in, so you just take this thing out. Down is one crazy step. So all this thing, guys, is all in. So our ball joint is inside. So what we do, guys, we do the rest in reverse. Just put this guy back in, and then we do the rest. We put the caliper back, we put the speed sensor back, then guys, we'll be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe for more videos that are cool just like this one. See you next time. Drive safe out there.